Hello and welcome to RC Truth Media. Today we will be discussing carbon 60, what it is, what it's good for, knowledge about carbon 60, and pretty much everything I know about it. Okay, so first thing I want to do is let you know what a telomere is. Okay, and this has a lot to do with carbon 60 and what it is doing on our bodies. The telomere are an essential part of a human's cells that affect how our cells age. Telomeres are the caps at the end of each strand of DNA that protect our chromosomes, like the plastic tips at the end of shoelaces. Without the coating, shoelaces become frayed until they can no longer do their job. Just as, without telomeres, DNA strands become damaged and our cells can't do their job. These yellow things on the end of the cell here is the telomeres. Now, as you age, they get shorter and shorter, as it says right here. And once they are no more, the DNA can no longer do its job, which is to divide and copy themselves to remake your cells. Telomeres protect the vital information in our DNA. DNA makes up all of the cells in our body. It is the genetic material that makes us who we are. And every organ in our body, skin, liver, heart, etc., is made up of cells. So telomeres are vital to our health. Our cells replenish by copying themselves. This happens constantly throughout our lives. Telomeres get shorter each time a cell copies itself, but the important DNA stays intact. Eventually, telomeres get too short to do their job, causing our cells to age and stop functioning properly. Therefore, telomeres act as the aging clock in every cell. Telomeres are shortened as we age, but telomeres can also be shortened by stress, smoking, obesity, lack of exercise, poor diet, etc. Telomeres are connected to premature cellular aging. Telomere shortening is involved in all aspects of the aging process on a cellular level. Telomere length represents our biological age as opposed to our chronological age. Many scientific studies have shown a strong connection between short telomeres and cellular aging. Without protection from telomeres, our cells age and die. So that's the basic introduction on what a telomere is. Now, what is C60? Here's an article from Jane Houle. She has a PhD, and she asks, can C60 stop aging? There's a molecule found in nature that resembles a soccer ball called fullerene. It is made up of 60 carbon atoms and hence is called C60. It is typically found in soot or other carbon-based ash in very small amounts. C60 is becoming highly recognized as a way to slow down, stop, or perhaps even reverse aging. We go down to here, she tells you what telomeres are. You could read that if you would like. C60, human beings are carbon animals, and since C60 is made up of carbon atoms, our bodies respond to them in miraculous ways. Telomeres are chemically inert, that means they're inactive, and are joined together in perfect symmetry. When other compounds that are unstable are present in your body, such as toxins, they stick to these molecules like glue. Since free radicals are highly unstable molecules, C60 molecules have been proven in rodent studies to be very good at cleaning up these free radicals. So it's basically like a toothbrush going into your cells and scrubbing them down. It doesn't use a toothbrush, it uses oxygen. Okay, so C60 has been documented in research studies to be 10 to 100 times more effective as an antioxidant than vitamin E. In a study conducted on Alzheimer's rodents treated with C60, the rodents developed Alzheimer's later in life, and as a result, they lived longer. Okay, matter of fact, they live twice to 3 times as long. Let's see right here. It talks about it. Another remarkable observation from the research was that the rodents taking the C60 had oxidative stress free radicals reduced to such a low level that the rodents almost doubled their lifespan. This is very interesting. My guess is that with more success from C60 olive oil, the more the FDA and Big Pharma will try to make it illegal, take it off the market, yada da da da. Okay, so yeah, right now C60 you can buy it. I've been taking it for over 6 months. My wife has been taking it. My kids have been taking it. My grandfather's been taking it. Um, what it does is it reduces the oxidative stress in your body. Now, oxidative stress causes all the aging, all the bad health, all the bad stuff that happens to your body. This is caused by oxidative stress. Now, C60 reduces that oxidative stress. Let's talk about what oxidative stress can do to your body. Okay, when there are more free radicals present that can be kept in balance by antioxidants, the free radicals can start doing damage to the fatty tissue, DNA, and proteins in your body. Proteins, lipids, and DNA make up a large part of your body, so that damage can lead to a vast number of diseases over time. Oxidation is a normal and necessary process that takes place in your body. Oxidative stress, on the other hand, occurs when there's an imbalance between free radical activity and antioxidant activity. When functioning properly, free radicals can help fight off pathogens. Pathogens lead to infections. So these oxidative stress can lead to diabetes, arthritis, high blood pressure, atherosclerosis, heart disease, neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, cancer, and it also contributes to aging. So, what are the risk factors? Everyone produces some free radicals naturally in their body through processes like exercise or inflammation. This is a normal part of the body's intricate system of keeping itself healthy. You may also be exposed to free radicals in the environment. Some sources include the ozone, especially with all of the chemtrails and particulates that are sprayed every day, almost every day, all over the world, or in most places. Okay, so certain pesticides and cleaners, cigarette smoke, radiation, pollution. Um, as as time goes on, we're getting more airplanes in the sky. We're getting more pollution out there. We're getting more pesticides in our foods. So we're getting exposed to more of these free radicals in the environment. So C60 is a great way. Pretty much, we need this stuff right now to be able to just live a normal life, if there is such a thing. So, but if you want to learn more on C60, there's a great video to be seen about it. This is how I learned about it, was through Sarah Westall. I want to give a big thanks to Sarah Westall. She does a great job in all her videos. I really like watching her. Um, right here is the video. It's one with all the candlesticks on it. These two scientists, let me show you them again, are the ones that invented the C60, and they talk about it, all the benefits in this video. They are definitely more than qualified scientists. Each of them together, I think they said they had 10 degrees, and they're both PhDs, doctorates. So give it a try. It's been working for me. I feel great. I feel healthy. I feel I can breathe better. The first day I took it, I sweated everything out real bad. I just started. I was like, "Yep, this is taking out all the oxidation or all the radicals that are in me. All the free radicals is definitely taken out." So I noticed it, and my grandpa, he's seeing better. He feels better. He's moving around better. He's giving it to his dog, which used to be my dog, and um, the dog is 15 years old. He's on his last leg. He was barely moving around. And once we started giving him the C60, only a couple, maybe actually, I've only been giving him about 6 or 7 drops a week, and he's doing much better. Same with Grandpa. I'm only giving Grandpa about 6 or 7 drops a week, and he's doing much better. He says he seems peppy. He seems like he has a lot more energy. Um, but the thing is I give it to him 7 drops every 7 days, and it lasts for about 2 or 3 days for him. He says his energy and everything lasts for about 2 or 3 days, and on the third or fourth day, he says he starts getting real tired. So I could tell that it's probably going to need at least a couple drops a day to provide okay results. In this video, well, actually, as they do more research, they say a lot of the scientists are saying to get the full effects, you got to take more, like 2 teaspoons a day, or 1 to 2 teaspoons a day. But for animals, it's going to be much less. Alright guys, thanks for coming and watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the video. You can donate through PayPal. I'll leave a link below. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.